Hi cuties, Winnie here. Thanks to all your requests, today we're going to draw a cute little sloth. But before we get started, I wanted to share with you a cute little sloth joke. So here goes. What did the sloth say when he was mugged by a bunch of snails? I'll let you know the answer at the end of the video. So get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper and let's get started. To draw this cute sloth, we're going to first start by drawing a zigzag right here for the top of his head. So 2 little zigzags. So there's just a tuft of fur on top of his head. And from there, I'm going to start to draw his head. So I'm just going to come down, curve, and we're just aiming to draw kind of like an oval dumpling shape. So I'm just going to bring this down wider. And about right there, I'm going to start to curve it out. And then bring it in about right here. And connect it. So not too long, just a nice little round oval. There. So we have his head in. Then from there, I'm going to come to the center. So I'm going to find my center, let's just say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to go up, kind of as if I was drawing a heart. And I'm going to aim towards the edge. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So once again, just aim towards the edge. And from there, I'm going to bring this curve and follow my outside all the way to the bottom. So same thing over here. And towards the bottom is going to be pretty thin. So I'm just going to slowly draw this curve and follow my bottom. There. Okay, so now we have that part in. Let's find our center once again. So about right here, towards the bottom a little bit, and about right here, I'm going to draw his nose. So I'm just going to come about right here, draw a curve for his nose, and I'm going to connect it, round it off at the corners, and bring it in. And I'm just going to give it a tiny highlight and then just shade it in black so it's easier to see. There. And then towards the side of this nose, say in this area, I'm going to draw a curve for his eye. So it's just some happy, happy eyes, very simple eyes. And I'm just going to go in there and thicken it. So same thing on the other side. So about right here. Another curve. There. Okay, so then from there, I'm going to come in this area and basically going to draw a curve around this eye. So I'm going to start, say, about right here. And I'm just going to drag a curve all the way. Bring it in and out. So let's do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to drag this point across. So about right here, I'll just start. And I'm just going to go up towards my other one. Come in between the nose and eye. And curve it out. There. Okay, so then now let's give him a happy little smile right underneath his nose. So right underneath his nose, I'm just going to add a little smile and cap it off. So cute, right? Okay, so we're done with his head. So then now we're going to draw his little body. To draw his body, we're going to first start by drawing his arm. So we're going to come in this area right under his head. So I'm going to say come about right here. And I'm just going to draw a long arm coming down. So just to curve it out. And let's see, I'm going to bring it down. The sloths have really long arms. And See about right there, I'll start to bring it in. I'll just start to curve it in and just come back up. Nice simple arms. There. Okay, so then now we have this arm. Let's draw the other arm. So I'm going to come back up here towards the head. So say about right here, about the center area. Just give myself a point. And from there, I'm just going to draw a curve up. So I'm going to end, say, about where his head is, because we still have to figure out branches. So I'm just going to stop right there. So like where his head is, just stop right there for now. And you can come in here. Let's do that a little bit later so it's a little bit easier to see. So then from there, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to draw this curve coming down. So let's come over here. I'm going to start to draw a curve that's coming down for his body. Here and there you can zigzag if you feel comfortable, if you want to, just to make it look like he has fur. And curve it out. Okay, so then from there, so we kind of know this is arm, his body is going to start to go this way. Let's come right here where this point is, and I'm just going to draw a curve that comes down. So this curve is only important kind of in this area because it's the branches. So I'm going to come right here and I'm just going to hit that mark and curve out. I'll just stop about right there. So I need this branch to tell me where my arm's going to be. So say about right here, about the same width as this arm. I'm going to come here and draw a curve down. So that's going to be that arm now. So from there in this area, so now body, I'm going to come about right here and continue this curve. And I'm going to bring this up. So we're going to start to draw his legs. So let's bring this over so you see a little bit better. So we're just going to bring this all the way up. So when you're drawing this curve and this curve, just make sure this part is not too wide. So about right there. So I'm going to bring this because I know this branch is going to continue about right here. So I'm going to bring this leg up past this line just a little bit right there and connect it with my bottom line. There. And then from there, let's finish this branch. I'm just going to bring this down and out. So I'm just going to continue this out. And then let's finish this branch. I'm going to give it some thickness. So I'm just going to come right here and follow my bottom line all the way down. So that's why I kind of just made this a little bit hot. About right there for the thickness of the branch and out. Okay, so then from there, let's come in this area right here. I'm just going to draw another curve for the back leg and just taper it in. Okay, so now to make it really look like his arms and legs, let's come back in here. We're going to start with this one, and I'm just going to come in here with my Sharpie and just draw 3 of these thickened oval nails. So you call them. So just a little bit sharper towards the bottom if you can, but they're just colored in ovals. So same thing over here. So this is legs, and maybe 3 of them. This branch a little bit higher. And so then right here, you can just give some indication of the back legs. And this arm right here. So 3 of them as well. 2 and 3. There, makes more sense now, right? Okay, and so then of course I'm gonna have to add a heart, say about right here. So he's my draw so cute sloth. And then now let's finish the branches. So you can draw this however you like. You can add flowers, whatever you want. Hope this inspires you. So I'm just going to come out here. Just make a simple little branch. So say about, just going to split it. And then from there, I'm just going to go ahead and draw some leaves. So there, hope you guys loved this little drawing. And now to answer the question as to what did the sloth say when he was mugged by a bunch of snails? Ready? He said, "It all happened so fast, officer." So cute, right? Well, I hope you think so too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.